It's your friend GamerPro680 and welcome to Flow. Where today
Flow like the river.
Where today we'll be doing a couple of levels.
He'll let me do something before I go to the pool, so.
True.
Duh.
Anyway, now if I
This
want
is basically the easiest game in the world. Oh, let me see this boy. Oh my god, you can't even do this. This is so simple, boy. Like, look at this. It's so simple. You do this.
no, because you need to get the red connected.
Alright, and watch this. Do there. Up here.
I think that was your friend.
Oh, wow, you interested in her?
No.
Okay, guys, I gotta go.
Make sure you subscribe to her channel.
I don't do many videos because I'm getting a new phone, so you're probably
In 2 weeks.
Cancel a week in 6 days, but whatever, boy. Coming.
Now, I'll get back to you guys when I get it right. Hey, I got it right! Want to try something? Oops. There? No. Sorry for all the ads and stuff. I'll get back to you guys right. Actually, I'm gonna let you guys watch me do this one. As a little treat for waiting. Okay, this has to take a minute. Guys, I messed up big time, but I realized that I still knew a trick. No, that won't work. Or maybe it will. There we go. Oh, but how am I going to connect the blues? Give me 1 hour. Guys, this has gone terrible. So, I'm sorry on the first episode of this, but we're gonna have to cut this short. So, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see some more Flow free, then go ahead, pick up those game controllers and press the A button for a like as hard as you can. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Google+. I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching. And of course, game on!